After my finding, I discovered that the girl is Nwapata Usu. Hey! Agaba!
Your Highness.
Is that true?
What, Your Highness?
That you took my son, the Prince of Afar, to Nwapata, to Anusu? Talk to me!
Your Highness, the prince forbade me from telling you.
Idiot! How dare you? How could you bring Anusu and Nwapata into the palace? How could you? No, please. Take it easy. Don't lose your temper like that. Please. Obieze! Obieze!
Father.
Don't you father me. You are Nwapata, aren't you? Answer me. You are Osu. Answer me.
Yes, sir. I am.
Then who brought you here? And what are you doing in my palace?
Sir, it's your son. I told him to leave me alone, but he practically forced me to this place.
If I open my eyes and still see you here, I shall make a sacrifice of you to the gods. So, leave.
Father!
Now!
It's my wife you're chasing away, you know. That's my wife!
Obieze! 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 Obieze!
What is it? What do you want from me? I told you to leave me alone, but you chose to disgrace me.
Olama, it's not your portion to be disgraced.
Didn't you hear what your father said? Huh? Didn't you look in his eyes when he said those things he said to me, that he was going to offer me as a sacrifice to the gods? He meant every word of it!
Olama over my dead body.
Listen, leave me alone, okay? I have to go home to my mother.
Not in this state, Olama.
I'm going home.
I won't let you.
Olama!
What do you want from me? What kind of sin are you creating here? Do you know what people will say about me when they see us like this?
I don't care.
I care! Listen, just leave me alone, alright? Just let me go.
Olama!
Look into my eyes.
For what?
Look into my eyes, please. Do you remember these eyes the very day you gave me water at the stream path? That was the day you became the queen of Afanasa. And nobody, not even my father nor the gods, can take that away from you.
Look, Obieze, I am just so afraid.
Just come with me.
To where?
Without love, life is disrupted, physically, emotionally, and spiritually.
Do you also know that Nwapata knows no love, but some faceless men who creep into their heart at night to abuse them into procreation?
Believe me, the story of Nwapata and the sacrificed virgin will be rewritten with both of us holding the pen. Do not underestimate the power of love at first sight. Many of us might not get a second inspection, and you perfectly fit that bill.
I don't know what to say.
Then listen some more. See, love is like a fabric that never fades, no matter how often it's washed in the waters of grief and adversity.
Here. Yeah. Is it love that you went to Obodo Yibo to study?
See, love is a universal subject. No matter your choice of course in life, you must encounter it.
Let's just go home. There are too many sandflies here and they are biting me.
Just show me where it bites you.
Yeah, I don't want trouble. And what if your father sends people to my house to go and carry my mother, my brother, and my uncle?
Listen, he will not do that.
I saw those eyes. He meant what he said, and I know he won't stop at anything.
I won't let harm come to you.
Then take me home. That way, no harm will come to me.
Are you mad? I am obeying orders from your highness. I am the prince. He is the king and his words are...
How long do you think he will still live? You obey him in this matter and be disgraced when I'm king, or you serve yourself for tomorrow.
Boys! Let's go.
I told you.
It's okay.
What did I do?
Thank you, Your Highness.
I'll be back.
Look, son, I did not send you to London to imbibe the whole of the white man's culture. This is Africa. You will incur the wrath of the gods.
I have chosen Olama. There's something in her that ties both our lives together.
Ah! It is forbidden. She is not suitable. She's an Osu, an outcast. This is Africa.
With due respect, Father, she's the only one in this filthy town worth the candle. I have made my choice.
Enough of this nonsense, or else I'll have to disinherit you.
And you think I care?
You don't care.
And be very careful, Father. Else I move out of this palace to never return.
I might have lost the prince. I can live with that. But how do I live with the fact that I lost him to that Mwapata, an outcast?
It will never happen. Or there, men.
It is happening already. Uju, it is happening already. My prince insists that it is either the outcast or nobody. My uncle told me that.
This is serious. Mwapata. And what is serious about this? Is the prince the only man in this world? Why not find yourself another man and stop disturbing us about this prince? Hey, please.
Hey, Maka, please, Biko, don't irritate me. Are you deaf? Or are you blind? Don't you know my punishment? That I cannot marry any other man from these parts?
So, what do you plan to do now?
Ijoma. Uju. Aren't you my friends?
We are.
That is why I have called you to help me figure it out.
My son, I can see you're truly in love with her. Well, since it's now beginning to look like a matter of life and death, you may go on. Yes, go on. Feel her body. Enjoy it to your satisfaction.
Feel and enjoy her?
Yes, of course. But do not go any further than that.
Meaning?
Meaning that if you insist on actually marrying her, then the kingdom will leave this land and go back to Amozala, from where it came centuries ago.
So the royal seats did not originally belong to our clan?
No, someone there at Amozala committed a sacrilege, and the kingship came to us here. Now, if you bring in an outcast as a wife, the kingdom after my reign will go back to Amozala, because you cannot rule as king with an outcast as a wife.
Whatever you want, I will give it to you. Only do this for me. Defile that outcast. Since the prince rejected me because I am not a virgin, thanks to you, he must never meet her a virgin.
And what if he has already eaten from her pot of ora soup that is in between her legs?
I know the prince. He always takes his time.
Okay. I'll do something.
How can I ever thank you? What do you want? Name it.
You know what I want.
Let's not waste time.
Kanyegi obimo enweghị m onye ọzọ n'ụwa ma mgbe m nyere gị obimo ị ga-edebe ya ọfụma. Love him totally. Listen, I do not talk too much. If I make a promise, I will keep. go be natural. Ifunanya kesini mobigi.
I say halt! Halt! Father! You want to have my queen? No, your highness! You want to have my queen? Huh? You are about to defile my queen? No. You are going to tell Shubinga. You want to defile my queen? No, my highness. You don't know, sir. You don't know. You don't know, sir. You don't know. I did what? Why don't you see what you wanted from your highness's wife? Idiots!
Your Highness.
How could I ever dream of such wickedness? You know I can do it. Idiots! Simple assignment, you can do it.
I've made the bed.
For who?
For us. Come on.
Huh?
Maria, you know I have tried. I have tried 3 good times. But the prince usually springs up from nowhere. Honestly, Maria, I don't know what brings him to the spot always. I don't know.
Something needs to be done. And fast.
Okay. I will do something, but before that, just...
Oh, get out of my sight. Not until you perform your duties. Get out.
You have never been in this palace before in your life, have you?
No, Your Highness.
Good. I have brought you in to march where you never dreamt of being before in your life. Just to make one message clear. This fire which you've made through your ambitious needs to burn will burn so terribly that your entire household will be wiped out from the surface of Afanasa.
Please, Your Highness. Please.
I did not ask you to open your mouth. Now, you may go.
You must go back to the palace, please.
And I ask why?
Your father, please, leave us in peace, please. Please, my prince.
Leave my father to me.
My prince, please. By this act, you seek our death, please.
A man must die. But death is sweeter when a man dies for that which he believes in. Dikeh, do you believe in freedom?
My people, this is actually an emergency. The people of Amaegede are our brothers.
Yes.
I therefore think that we should arrange to assist their king in giving his queen, his cherished queen, a befitting burial.
Igwe, you have spoken very well. They are actually our brothers, and I support we shall assist them.
Isn't it what you were looking for? To keep that going? Yes.
Your Highness, there is something very important that we want to suggest. Please go on.
This is an opportunity for you to retain your dynasty and not lose it to Amozala.
How?
Your Highness, it's an opportunity to dispense with Olama so that the business doesn't stop.
Father, did you threaten Olama's uncle over my genuine affair with his niece?
Oh, yes, my son. Has it come to the point where you won't even greet your father, the Igwe?
It has come to everything, Father. Since all you want is your heir to act your slave.
Did you get that idea? Sit down. Sit. Obieze, no one takes on a battle he is certain to lose.
Trust me, Father. I will win this battle.
Oh, you've already won. You have won. Since I see that there is so much passion you have for this girl, and I therefore given my consent for you to have her.
As my wife?
Yes, as your wife. There is no point by tearing the palace apart when you're truly in love with her. On account of this, you can have her as your wife. That is your wish, isn't it?
What about your cabinet?
My cabinet? Don't worry about them. I am still king of this kingdom. I can take care of my cabinet. I can handle them.
Thank you, Father. You live long.
Oh, yes, my son.
Balakugo Obieze nwanne bo Prince Obieze nwanne bige Odogwa kataka nwati na-emere iwe Onye na-ekwu n'obodo nwekwara iwe na-eme Odogwa nwa mụrụ n'obodo oyibo wee nataba anyị wetị na iwe ndị mmadụ na-adị ya mma anyị wee jewe Odogwa kataka nwati na-emere iwe ka anyị jewezie
My father has finally approved. And this is the beginning of our lives together.
Eh? Eh? Hey! Nekwanya. Hey! Ihe dị mma ka mụ na-achọ. For me? Omalicham. Oh! Omalicham.
Please, take them in.
Hey!
What am I going to do at Nike, Father?
The Igwe of Nike sent me an invitation for his Ofala festival, which takes place tomorrow. I want you to represent me there.
Anything for you, Father.
We will conclude the marriage rites with Olama immediately after your return, so that she can move into the palace.
You will live long, my king.
Shall be well with you, my son.
Idiro bi mumma n'ezie Nimo no dum nile. Nimo no dum nile o. Nimo no dum nile.
No, we got you. No, we are greeting you.
Hey! Hold that your mischievous greetings.
No. We came to say we are so sorry for our unruly behavior the other time and to apologize for our unfair attitude towards our friend, Olanma. We are really sorry.
Please, Mama.
We are very sorry.
Please, Mama. Give us another chance. And we promise nothing will ever come between your daughter and us again. Please, Mama.
Madam, if you are truly sorry,
We are.
is you. Okay. Let me go inside and call your friend.
Hey, hola.
You're sleeping like a baby.
You still sleep by this time of the morning. Didn't you sleep last night? Or did he overnight? You girls, leave Ola alone. Can't she live her life the way she wants?
Maka is right. Hey. Oh, my dear friend. Ola. I'm so sorry. In fact, I came to apologize for all the silly things I did to you. You know you're my friend. I like you. And I really missed you. Ola. We missed you. Ola. How are you? My sister. They are bad people. Some enemies who don't like our friendship have been telling me, Olama snatched the prince away from you. And I told them, shh, me Chionuki. Is that your problem? Yes. I mean, what is wrong if my best friend decides to eat from where I am eating? Or better still, from where I have eaten already? Is that not friendship?
Anyway, Nuria, I know that I'm actually supposed to be the one explaining to you how I came across the prince. I mean, it's not as if I deliberately wanted to take his mind away from you or something. I mean, you know how these things work. It's just a natural attraction and chemistry. My sister.
There's no problem, I understand.
Hola. Anyway, it is good to have my friends back.
Now we are all drinking together again.
So, tell me, what has been happening to each and every one of you? Uju, who is the latest guy on board? I mean, who is, chasing you at the moment?
Hey, nobody else. I don't like village boys.
Uju? Hey! So, you don't like village boys anymore? No. Now it's city boys. See, your level has changed.
Thank you.
Oh, what about you?
Nothing for now, no.
Ola, we're going on an errand. Would you want to come with us?
Does she need to? Yeah. Can't you just let her be? Maybe she could rest or something.
Ola, we missed you so much. Come with us. I missed you terribly.
Okay, I think Nuria is right. I'll go with you now. Okay. I'll come.
Hola.
Mama, I will be going with my friends. I'll come back very soon.
What of the mineral?
Go. Carry your drinks. Don't worry, I'll bring the bottle back.
Are you sure?
Okay. No, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hola.
Mama Nabia, oh.
Let's go together.
So, this thing now, what has been happening?
Sister. That is a very good resting spot. Let's go there.
Anyway, it's too short. We've been working for a while. I'm tired.
Very good.
You girls.
I think I'll have to go back home from here. I need to rest.
Go back home if you're tired, eh?
Ola, come with me.
Why are you calling Ola? If you want to go, go. Does Ola have to go with you? If you're tired, go home. Eh? Leave her alone.
Don't worry, I'll come over to your house, okay? Let me just stay with them for a while. I'll meet you up at home.
And besides, we've missed Ola so much.
Ola.
Ola, so what has been happening?
My sister, nothing much. It's just...
So get her down!
What is it now?
Yeah, you shut up!
Look, if you don't tell them to leave me now, you'll see what the prince will do to you.
Not even the prince can save you here today.
Nto. Meh. Good for you.
You again.
You snatched my darling husband from me. My darling husband that I worked so hard to get and turned me, moi, into a laughing stock in this town. I can't marry him, yes, but neither will you. You. Get this stupid, dirty one behind this outcast out of my sight.
So you planned this?
No, wait. There's no need crying while the head is already off. If you had agreed to have me, you wouldn't be winding up like this. Take her away!
Come on! Go! Agaba!
Okay, thanks. Okay.
So, this is very strange indeed. This lady cannot be used for this.
Dikeh, what are you saying?
She is covered with royal blessings. We cannot bury a queen with another queen.
Igwe, what? If I have not known you, I'll have doubted your competence. She's a virgin offered to us by the Igwe of Alpha himself.
Dibia, how do we get a replacement for her since our search for a virgin in this community were in vain?
I would like to warn that consequences may be grievous. It may be very, very disastrous. Her soul might come after you.
Dibia, not try to frighten us. Do as tradition requires. Take her to Amia tree in the bush and cut off her neck.
I wash my hands and feet before you of any consequences that may arise out of this.
You've just said my mind now, so get started.
Ebubemo nemo.
I have come to warn both of you that on no account should the prince be told what happened to Olama, except that she suddenly got missing and that we are looking for her.
Hey! The gods will judge all of you. My God will judge you and judge you and judge you. The ancestors will punish you for your wickedness. My father's face will be before you 1,000,000 times. Over and over and over.
Silence this woman. She has insulted the prince.
Mama. 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 Mama, open your eyes now. Mama. Mama, please, you can't do this to me. Somebody help me. Mama, open your eyes now. Mama. Mama, you can't do this to me. Mama. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Ah. Mama, you can't leave me like this now. Mama. Mama, open your eyes. Mama. Ah.
I can't believe this. I mean, I don't understand this. Olama's mother is dead, and Olama has disappeared into thin air? In a kingdom where my father is king? The prince's wife-to-be disappears, and his future mother-in-law dies mysteriously, and my father knows nothing? If truly you know nothing, father, then that means you've lost total grip of your kingdom.
Quiet. You can't say such things.
My fiancé is missing. Turn the pathways, the bushes, the roads of Afana upside down, inside out until I find her or find evidence of her.
Son, since we insist on knowing, I feel it's my obligation as your father to tell you. Although I know that this knowledge will bring nothing to you but pain and sorrow. The queen of Amaigede died a few days ago, and their men went in search of a virgin. Olama fell victim. She was kidnapped, and I believe killed to bury their queen.
Hey. Hey. God have mercy. God have mercy. My prince! I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe that the people of Ekete would come into your own territory and take away the only thing that matters to your heir.
Obieze, we were taken unawares. Mbelede nyele Dikeh.
Or rather put it, that Mbelede keji ama Dikeh.
It has happened. I can't reverse it.
Then we go to war.
Go to war? I can't go to war for just any and everything that happens. It's unfortunate that Olama was involved in this case. But I can't go to war.
Then if you wouldn't go to war, watch me go single-handedly. Watch me.
Yeah, can you give obi more? And when you mourn your soul, no war. Mom, when you reggae obi more, you get a bear off.
My queen. My queen. Even in death, you're the salt of my life. Hear me, my queen. Hear me. This place is our sanctuary, Olama. Even if I die, even if I die in the course of avenging your death, Olama, then my death would not be in vain.
May you live long, my friend.
Don't I know you? Don't I know you? You wicked girl of Afa. What have you come to do in my place of happiness and sorrow? Speak!
I've been following you, my prince. And though I keep the company of the wicked girls, I am not in myself wicked. And though I know no one has told you the truth about Olama, the fire still burns in me to tell it to you. And that is why I followed you here, my prince.
My queen, what do you know about my beloved? Speak, I say.
She was betrayed by those who love you. She was caught and taken to her death in Amaegede by the palace.
By the palace? By my father?
What I can say, I have said. But I can't say more. For I fear for my own life too.
Why? What has come over you?
You arranged for Olama to be kidnapped. You killed Olama. You planned it.
Who told you? Who told you these things you say?
The things I say are true. Else, look me in the eye, father to son, and deny this. Finished. My happiness is gone. You've killed me.
Stop this womanly behavior over Rapata and Osu.
Father, you're wicked. You hear me? You are wicked. And I tell you this today. As you have killed Olama, so have you lost a son. I will leave this palace this minute, never to return until you're dead.
Don't be stupid, Yeze. Unsay what you just said. Unsay what you just said. It is silly. The Wapata is not worth it. Unsay it. Stop!
The gods have given rest to her soul and that of your mother. And watch over us for now, till we die and join them when we grow old.
I see my mother always in my dream, and I ask her to take vengeance on her killers.
And my beloved, do you also see her in your dream?
Never. She must have gone far in the land of the spirits.
Don't worry. You'll see her one day. Our loved dead ones always appear in our dreams to tell us to take heart.
you come here to Ghana. So I knew that if I came and waited, that I would see you. The native doctor left me blindfolded, tied hand and feet. But instead of killing me, he set me free. He lied to his people that I was dead. He said I had royal blessings over me and couldn't risk the consequence of killing me.
I just got information that the prince is returning.
Oh. May the gods be thanked for this information. I eagerly await his return home and possibly his return to his senses. Let him in. Let him in. Bien,
I have come to unsay what I said the other day.
Good. I'm very glad that you are finally coming back to your senses.
But I'll do so on one condition. That you banish Agaba, Uria, my ex-wife, and all her friends who had a hand in Olama's kidnap from this village forever. And that you recognize all the Wapatas in this village as free and complete citizens of this kingdom. Only then will I forgive what you've done to me, Father.
was in such a hurry?
Hey, well, that's him. I've never seen him in such a hurry.
Make way. He has good tidings for me. He's hurrying to me.
There's fire on the mountain! There's fire on the mountain!
Fire? What fire? What mountain?
Someone has died in the palace.
Not someone. All of us have died.
Akaba, stop speaking in idioms and tell the tale.
The king has banished us from this kingdom. He banished all of us except Amaka. And the banishment takes place immediately.
It is shocking you invited all of us here to argue and talk endlessly on this Nwapata issue.
It is interesting that Igwe communes with his ancestors and with them come to a decision that the system of Osu and Nwapata should be abolished in our land. And he brings this to his cabinet for discussion. And we hear Nwapata is Nwapata. Does he show a sound, wise judgment? Consider it. These are all citizens of Afanasa. Should they not be given equal rights and opportunities like the rest? Think of it.
Igwe is right too, because times have changed. After all, what is Nwapata? Don't we all breathe, cry, feel pain, love and hate like the Nwapatas? Look, time is come when Nwapata should be abolished in this our kingdom of Afanasa. Unanwe. Unanwe.
Oh, you say the times have changed. The sun no longer rises in the east and sets in the west, is it? There's no longer day or night. Look, there is no reason for Nwapata to become a freeborn. No, never. Fear. Our ancestors do not agree.
Igwe, no. I don't believe in this Nwapata issue. Are they not human beings as we are? Do they not eat the same food we eat or drink the same water we drink? This Nwapata issue should be abolished. Let them be free from their ancestral body. This is
Looking at it now from a different perspective, Nwapata is an unfair tradition.
Amadi?
Igwe, let that tradition die today under your reign, so that history will remember you.
Amadi, what are you saying?
Yes. Huh? I think we have had a long enough discussion on this issue.
Yes.
I am happy and satisfied that the majority have now been swayed to the decision that the Osu Nwapata caste system is an unfair system and should be abolished.
You have mercy. Have mercy on Nwapata. Have mercy on the poor Nwapata.
Get up. Get up. Go and call all the so-called Nwapata. I have news for you.
to make a proclamation. Go and call them.
To right the wrongs of our ancestors, I have come today to start the process of reconciliation.
Reconciliation?
Yes. History is being made today. There's a new sun rising in your lives today. The sun is rising in your generation. The journey that started many years ago with a virgin is ending today with another virgin. I am sorry I didn't start this process when I discovered that my son was in love with Olama. But now I can see more clearly. Yes, I can see more clearly now. You will be proclaimed freeborn, all of you. In my palace, 8 market weeks from today, there and then, you shall be free. Free to farm, free to love and be loved, free to have festivities and share with all the members of the kingdom, free to work in the farms. You shall indeed be free. Free in all ways.
May your days be prolonged. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Get up. Get up. It shall be well with you.
God bless you.
What has reached me that you're leaving? Why?
My prince, my heart is heavy. I have to go. I can't marry you and turn around to hate you. I will always remember your father, the king, sending people to kill my mother. I don't want to marry you and turn around to hate you when the memories of my killed mother start flooding back. I have to go.
I promised you. I promised that I will get my father to abolish the Wakpata discrimination in our kingdom. That has happened. There is peace now.
What about the other lands? What about the other kingdoms who still have the Mwakbata's belief? Can you abolish that too? I love you too. I really do love you. But you see, sometimes love is not enough. I have to go. I wish you find love. I wish you find luck after me.
want to ask you for one favor. My only brother, Arinze, is still in this village. Promise me that you will take care of him for me as your own blood. Promise me.
I promise, but...
Oh, please, do not make this any difficult for me. I have decided.
Madam Fulanya, Madam Fulanya, love me when you class, love me when you level up. Imana ijobi mo, Imana ijindu mo. Love mama akunuba. Love mama yewa pata. Arapu na mo, irapu mo. Mudeme we selza. Chelumo, chelumo, chelubimo.
I called her yesterday and told her my heart still lies unoccupied. The love I thought I had was stillborn. My culture killed it.
Son, youth is carefree. Youth explores. You're young. And understandably, you wish to explore some more. But remember the old saying, go east, go west. Home is the best. And son, this is home. Your roots, your foundation. So explore what you will. You should eventually return home. So the question is, when, son, will you finally be home?
I don't know when I'll come back, but I'll come back home someday to change some of these laws and culture that have dehumanized our people and made us uncivilized in the eyes of the whole world. Culture. Culture is good, yes. But not all cultures. Not all of them.
Seen siri ike ụmụ ụwa jọrọ njọ obi ụwa ejika ndị ụwa ebuka etiri m mkpu etiri m mkpu etiri m mkpu etiri m mkpu
Lemanya n'iru, lemanya n'obi, lemanya n'ume, etiri